Well, hello, welcome back. Today we have some Japanese cyber judge packs. So let's see what we got. Ooh, looks like we pulled this super cool reboot pod card. The colors of the holo are really nice. Alright, this card looks pretty cool. It's probably not worth much, but these Pokemon card designers know how to make a good looking holo. The colors are so complimentary. Alright guys, that's it for today. That's all we got. So, see you next time. Bye!